A trap that mortgage buyers can fall into, and you have to be very careful with this, is the evaluation trap. Now, what happens is when you buy a property, you sign a Form F with the seller, which is a legally binding contract, which means if you back out, you're going to have to pay 10%. Now, after you've signed the contract F, the bank goes for the evaluation of the property. Let's suppose the market value of the property is 10 million and you've signed the contract F for 10 million. If the evaluation comes for 10 million, everything is good. But if the evaluation comes for less, let's say it comes for 8 million, now what happens? The 20% that you had to pay was for 10 million. But now there's a deficit of another 20%, which is 2 million. So what happens is the buyer has to pay it from their own pocket to be able to honor the deal. Otherwise, they have to back out because some buyers cannot afford to pay a 2 million extra as a down payment plus the 2 million original. That's 4 million altogether. If it's 1 million property, that's 400,000. So in this case, how do you protect yourself? You put a clause in the contract F which states that if the evaluation comes less than the agreed price, then the contract is null and void. Some sellers will not agree to that, but it is for your own safety. If the seller is not agreeing, move on to the next one. You don't want to pay a penalty now, do you?